Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. Yes, Taylor Swift. We're not done really yet. We have great songs, and this is the Fate of Ophelia, track number 1 from Life of a Showgirl album. Great song. And we have a very easy setup here with capo on third, and with that, 5 simple chords and 1 string pattern. Let's go into it. And before we go into this tutorial, I want to showcase this guitar from Acoustic Guitars. Yes, I'm bragging about this brand because I really can stand behind them and I use them for myself on this channel. I wouldn't do it if it wasn't a great guitar and a good deal as well. Just originally from the list price, but now you can get this one with 10% off using my coupon code GordonGuitar10. Great deal, Acoustic Guitar. Let's go into Ophelia song here and learn the chords. So we're gonna start with the E minor. Okay, so that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the B minor. We have a bar chord here where you place the index finger on the second fret to push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Let's move on with D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A next. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, open E, and finally we have G, as in Gordon, as in guitar, and that is played 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And there we have all the chords needed for the song. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have 2 different versions of it, and they highlight both the same, and that is 3 points in this strumming pattern. So to start with, we have this. Okay, so that is a total of 8 downs, and this is the one I prefer you to use. I'm gonna show you a second version very soon, but first this one. So a total of 8 downs, and what I do here is that I'm emphasizing the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th down. And I do that in a way that I'm really reach out down to the higher strings down here, okay? So when I play the 1st, the 4th, and 7th, I make sure I get the higher strings. All that are downs in between, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 5th, the 6th, and the 8th, I focus more on the mid bass area here. Okay, so that means I'm gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 1 string around. So 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that is the first version. The second one is just to exclude all the bass. So you just play the 1, the 4, and the 7. And now it's much easier to understand how they are played. So 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. Okay? In that second version, you're gonna relax a little more with the strumming hand, but I still prefer the first version with 8 downs in total, but you can also mix it up. It's up to you. With that said, 8 downs or 1, 4, 7 is 1 string around, and let's go into the actual song. With the first verse, you're gonna play E minor, 1 string around, then B minor, 1, D, 1, and A, 2. That is 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Let's do it together. 1 round, and it goes like this: E minor, B minor, D, A, and A, and second round, and so on. 2 rounds of that. That's the first verse. Then into the pre-chorus at 30 seconds. And if you'd never come for me, that's where we are in the lyrics. And what you're gonna play here now is E minor 1, B minor 1, D1, and A1. Okay, so that's the only difference from verse and pre-chorus play is we have that A1 as well. So E minor, B minor, D, A, 1 string round per chord. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. It goes like this. right, 2 rounds of that, pre-chorus done. Now over to this first chorus at 47 seconds in. So all that time, I think that is where we are in the lyrics. And we have a total of 4 rounds here. The first 2 rounds is to play G, 1 string round, D, 1, B minor 1, and A2. Okay, so you play that for 2 rounds. Then the third round is played E minor 1, B minor 1, D1, and A1. And then the fourth and final round is to play E minor 1, B minor 1, D1, and A2. Okay, so that's the 4th round. I'm going to take you through this in a little bit slower pace so you understand what's going on here. All the 4 rounds, let's go together. I'm going to speak meanwhile I'm playing. So let's go with G1. G, B minor, A, G, D, B minor, A, B minor, B minor, D, A, B minor, B minor, D, A, and A. And that's the end of the first chorus. And the first round is done, guys. Now the second round, pretty much repetition here, or actually it's exactly the same as the first round. So 2 rounds of that verse play, 2 rounds of that pre-chorus play, and the same goes with this second chorus. It's just repetition. After that one comes the bridge part, 2 minutes and 40 seconds in. This locked and so on. That's where on the lyrics. And what you're going to play here now is E minor 1, B minor 1, D1, A1. And that's the first half. The second half is pretty much the same. E minor 1, B minor 1, D1, and A2. And that's the only difference. I think we know how to play this by now. It's very much the same play here in this song. So we know this bridge part. And let's move on to the final parts of the song. Is to play the third chorus. And that one, again, is played exactly in the same as the previous chorus. There's no changes there. And then after you finish that third chorus, you come into the outro. What you're going to play now is E minor 1, B minor 1, D1, and that's the end. Okay, so D1, that's the end of the song from Taylor Swift. Yes, the Fate of Ophelia. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Very play-friendly, guitar-friendly song, this one. So I'll give it a shot and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.